last profit? Well,
Mishra of Religare Broking joining us on this side. Saurabh Jain is waiting by. Saurabh, logistics space has seen a lot of...
and wants to know if this is the right time from a longer term perspective to enter into something like an AFCONS. Ajit, very good morning to you. I'll come to you on this one. Do you think the charts are attractive enough to enter AFCONS right now?
Good morning, Mehma. So, since it's a recent listing, we don't have much data to comment upon. But basis the recent price action, it seems like that the stock is stuck in a range. Means 400 to 500 is something that the stock has been hovering in for almost 2-3 months. So, basis this, yes, we are closer to the lower band. And in case if somebody is looking for investment, the downside seems cap means close to around 400 or maybe 390 something one can maintain as a stop loss if the view is long term, and then they can definitely consider accumulating the stock at the current levels.
So that's with regards to where charts are concerned for something like an AFCONS infra. Our next caller, Sikan, is calling in from Odisha. Sikan,
one or thereabouts, but a very significant quantity has been bought, but he does clarify that the stock forms less than 2% of his overall portfolio. So bear that in mind as well. He's in the green and gaining about 50,000 rupees or so. He's got an outlook for 1 year, and he's looking at whether he should hold on at this point. So, Ajit, on the charts, should he do so?
So Alex, it's almost a year now that the stock has been witnessing, corrective trend means from 75 to 40, and then after almost 2-3 months of consolidation, we are seeing that stock as forming a base and is set for the reversal. So definitely he has bought it at right prices. Means we have reclaimed the major averages. So for the next leg of the momentum, it could be in a couple of sessions or maybe in a week's time that again the stock might witness next leg of the up move, which could help the stock to reach towards 59 or maybe higher. So since his view is long term, definitely he should stay put. To change this bias means a close below 45 would again push the stock on the back foot. So as of now, with stop at 45, he can definitely maintain his positions.
so that's with regards to where charts are concerned from IRB Infra. Our next caller, Jitendra, is calling in from Jaipur. Jitendra, a very good morning to you.
Has got the next question, writing in from Chennai and asking about CDSL, which he's bought at levels of 1,331.7. He's got 62 shares and he's looking at whether or not to hold at this point. He hasn't given us a time frame, Ajit. So on the chart, should he hold or exit?
So Alex, he has bought it at at decent levels, means around the breakout area, after almost 2-3 months of consolidation, and he's sitting on decent profit. I would recommend him to continue to trail his stop losses and ride this momentum. So now 1530 on the closing base should be his stop loss, and gradually closer to around, let's say, 1750, 1800 area. In case if it comes, then definitely he can consider booking profits.
All right. So that's the view on CDSL. It's up about 40%, 44% or thereabouts over the last 3 months or so. And that's because quite a few of the capital market players have come back into focus in that time frame. Bala Murugan is calling us from Chennai. Very good morning, Bala. How can we help you today?
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, I'm holding 830 shares of Canara Bank at the rate of 102.
Okay.
I want to know whether can I book profit or can I hold it for long term?
Okay, I got it. And when did you buy this?
I bought last year, sir. After the Canara Bank has issued that split, after that I bought, sir.
Got it. All right. So let me take a view on the technicals. The entire pack in focus today, Ajit, the entire PSU banking pack, it may be off the high point of the day, but they all saw a spurt. Would you book profits or would you hold for further upside?
So Alex, you rightly mentioned that we are seeing traction, and interestingly means the banking index is sitting on the sidelines for almost a month now. The heavyweights, they are either seeing some profit taking or trading in a very tight range. But PSUs on the other hand, from the last week onwards, we are seeing strong traction, including Canara Bank. So I believe that he can continue to hold since his view is long term, and gradually we can inch towards the record highs or maybe higher. So close to around 126.28 was the previous record high. So now with the trailing stop loss at 110, definitely he can stay put.
That's with regards to where Canara Bank stands. The next question is from Srishail. Patil, who's writing in from Bengaluru. He's asking about Orton Globe. I'm not sure if we have coverage on this one, Saurabh, but I'll come to you. Orton Global is the counter. No, I think this is a very small company. I'm not sure if we'd have a view on this one, but let's take up the next counter. Shubham is writing in, and he wants to know as to what's the view with respect to where HSCL stands. Ajit, I'll come to you again on this one. HSCL, that is your Himadri Specialty Chemicals. What are the charts indicating?
So HSCL, very sharp correction. In the last 1.5 months, almost 50% kind of retracement from the recent highs, and still the stock is struggling around the recent lows. So I would recommend him to exit in case if you have bought it even at the higher levels, because the underperformance is likely to continue. Or in case if you wish to wait for any bounce, so maintain a strict stop at 19 and use any rebound towards 22, 22.5 to exit his longs.
He's got a question on HDFC Bank, and he's bought at levels of 1,960. He's got 20,000 shares. Quite a significant quantity has been bought, and he's looking for fundamental view on the stock.
Ataka, and wants to know if Sigachi Industries is the right counter to buy right now. Ajit, what are the charts indicating?
So yes, it's a very strong rebound with volumes, especially in last 4 or 5 trading sessions, and we are very close to the immediate resistance zone. Means 55 to 58 is something that the stock has multiple hurdles, both in terms of price action and the indicators. So probably around that area, in fact, he can look to book profit. Fresh buying is something that you should avoid. In the meanwhile, do maintain a stop at 50 also.
So that's the view on Sigachi. Let's take another quick view. I will keep a close eye on the global crude prices. It's time now to hit the rapid fire round, and Saurabh and Ajit, you know what this means. We'll throw as many questions at you over the course of 2 minutes. The first one coming your way.
Bengaluru wants to know if he can enter right now from a short-term perspective. Ajit, your view?
Buy with stop at 750.
Infi is the name of the counter, and Rajendra from Bengaluru is bought at levels of 1580. Should he hold or take an exit? Short-term view. Ajit?
Stop 1510, hold 1620, 1640 target.
Okay. Krishna Kumar has bought 1250 shares of Titagarh at 1185 a piece. Wants to know if he can hold from a longer-term perspective. Saurabh, your view? Soma Shekhar has bought Vodafone Idea at 10 rupees a piece, 100 shares. Should he continue to hold? Ajit, your view on the charts?
Exit.
Speaking of Vodafone Idea, Indus Towers, would you buy or not for a period of 6 months? Rajiv wants to know. Ajit?
Yeah, buy 350 stop loss, 420 first target, and 440.
Okay. Shahzad from Qatar wants to know if he can continue.
Very quickly, Jyoti Structure, would you hold at levels of 21? Ajit?
Hold 19 stop. Actual move would trigger only about 22.
Okay, all right. Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us today. Absolute pleasure having you on the program. And that brings us to the end of this edition of Ask Profit from Mahima and myself and the team that put the show together. Thank you so much for watching. Up next is Know Your Company, and we're discussing office spaces. So do stay tuned.